Alright, there it is. Got the mother of all TVs, the LG C10 OLED 77-inch. Couldn't wait to pick this bugger up. Ordered it from Green Toe. Submitted an offer, they countered, I countered, and then they accepted. Got it for a great price, free shipping. And yeah, had no problems with everything. Comes from an authorized seller and stuff. So now, time to get this bugger unboxed. Can't wait to see what it's like. Should be awesome. Get these straps off of here and open this bugger up. Once the straps are off, this is whoever banded it way too tight. So if you're ever banding stuff for packaging, don't do it that tight. Hopefully the TV's okay. If you guys want to see where I pick up the TV and the banding on the box, what it was like when I got it, check out my other channel, Temptation 2003. I'll have it linked down below in the video description. I think it should be. I think there's foam and stuff in there, so we should be good. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna have to see about getting this thing out of the box. Okay, well, hopefully this should just lift up and off here. A couple documents inside here. Plate, magic remote. Throw that over here. Getting a first-hand look at the top of the. Getting a first-hand look at the top of the TV in here. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty nice, nice and thin. Where that cardboard was damaged is right here, but as you can see when it's folded over, it's not even close to where the TV was. So that's a very excellent sign. So now we'll finish pulling the rest of this out of here. It was at this point right here I kind of figured I was in trouble because the box was hitting about the top of my ceiling. So it's a big TV and the box is even bigger. So I was wondering if I was going to get this off here. Alright, continue the video. Are we good? There we are. That's part of it unboxed. And this styrofoam, I'm sure hopefully the base is mounted to it. Get this big box out of here. Not too bad. I think these side pieces, yep, I just pop it. And the other side piece will come off. Got a piece here. I think this must be part of the stand right here. This guy here. Holy. This must weigh, I'd say this weighs probably at least 30 some pounds. But this is one heavy duty unit here. So this is actual TV stand. And I think someone said to use the styrofoam to lay it down and put that stand on first. So if I'm not mistaken, I believe that is what I'm going to do. There's a base. What is this one? Dark steel silver. So this is part of the, this must be part of the base here. So what we got to do now is attach the bottom piece to the stand. That's the back. So that tall part, that goes to the back of the TV, would be on the back side of your stand. That just mounts up to the holes on the back of the LG TV right there. So I'll set it in place now. Okay guys, so one thing to get this back stand on and the front stand, we had to raise it off the ground, so we put the styrofoam underneath it. And then connect the front piece of your stand first, and then mount it to the back of the TV. So that's just kind of to help make life easier, I should say. So I'm just tightening these down for now. Oops, let me get that in there. Okay, that's tight. I think these are all tight now. We set the TV up on these styrofoam parts that came in the box, and then because the front of the TV stand actually protrudes out a ways, so you got to mount this piece here, this long piece here. You got to mount that to the back of the TV stand bracket first. Then once you do that, then you can mount it to the TV and then stand it upright. So now we're going to go ahead and stand it up to where it should go on the entertainment center over here. Ready? Okay. That's good for now. Oh, I got the tape back here. Catching everything. Whew. There we are. Alright guys, everybody's favorite time is here. Time to get the sound of the plastic peeling off the front of the TV. Oh, look at that bugger going. Perfect. Really? They let you stick around here? Energy guide? Yeah. Hopefully you can see it's getting a reflection of everything there, but there it is without the plastic on the front. I know we got plastic on the back here to take off too, so there is another plastic on the back of your TV, which you can see right here. I kind of peeled the corner a little bit. You can take that off too if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it on there because it's not affecting anything. It doesn't bother your HDMI ports or anything else, so I'm just gonna leave that one on there. Keep it from scratch protecting. But yeah, there's the TV all set up. People, the sci-fi wire, blah blah blah.
This is yeah?
It's built into the TV. It streams it from the internet.
Oh.
So I've been using the TV for about a week now and absolutely love it. Beautiful picture, especially on 4K HDR, Ultra HD Blu-rays and stuff. And then gaming also on it is excellent. So that's pretty much the two main things this TV was designed for. And then a bonus was it has a Pluto TV app, or powered by Pluto interface on it, which is pretty cool. So you can stream a ton of TV channels from the internet and stuff on it. You can get live like Fox News, ABC, NBC, wrestling channels, Glory, kickboxing, pretty much you name it, it's on there for the most part. It's a ton of channels. So yeah, overall, really like the TV. I just wish the 77-inch wasn't such a big price jump up from a 65. But we all know OLED's kind of hard to come by. And I'm gonna die trying to go in this bunker and get all the orange boxes because somebody beat me to it. So, yeah, watch. I love playing Warzone. It's a pretty fun game. I'm not very good at it, but it's fun to play anyway. So, alright guys, hope you liked the video. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe. And leave comments down below if you enjoyed the unboxing or not. I don't do anything too fancy with them. I try and keep my videos more basic. So, but let me know what you guys think. I'll have a link to the TV and stuff down below in the description, and the link to my other channels in the description so you can watch the video where I go and pick it up. So, alright guys, we will catch you later and enjoy.